will be rating EAS alarms from railroads, so subscribe. Amtrak, 6 out of 10. If this Amtrak was using the EAS alarm, I would be totally baffled with the sound. Another Amtrak, 5 out of 10. This one was the same one with the Amtrak wave paint. MBTA, 9 out of 10. This was the better one than the two Amtrak Genesis locomotives by General Electric. Coaster, 2 out of 10. This is not the same sound, just like the Canada alarm. Czech Republic Pendolino, 8 out of 10. Not really an EAS alarm, but still pretty cool. Czech Republic Diesel, 1 out of 10. The same one, not really an EAS alarm, just like Czech Republic Pendolino. Class 390 Pendolino, 4 out of 10. If I heard this horn of like an EAS alarm, I would totally be baffled or funny and laugh. Hogwarts Express, 3 out of 10. If I heard this alarm, it would tell me to watch the Harry Potter movie. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.